wonderful. I have a visitor. Let's go see who it is. Well, hello, folks. How did you get here? I didn't hear you come in. Well, come on in and sit a spell, why don't you? I would love to show you what I've been up to. I was just sitting here finishing off my grilled cheese sandwich. Have you ever tried dipping a grilled cheese sandwich into ketchup? Oh my goodness, folks, you should try it. It's so good. Would you like a grilled cheese sandwich? I'd be happy to make one for you since you're here. Make you a cup of tea, cup of coffee to go along with it. You know, I have a comfy chair over there in the living room. Yes, I do, and it has a foot ottoman too. You could put your feet up, have a grilled cheese sandwich with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea or a soda pop, and watch this next video. Yes. There comes a time in the morning when you rise and you're not shining, and your mind is saying, I wish I had a muffin. Well, sit up and take notice. Coconut muffins are here to save the day. Double batch here, 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of shredded coconut flakes, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, added to your dry ingredients, whisk that together before you add the wet ingredients. Two-fourths cup oil, vegetable oil, two eggs, one and a half cups milk, After mixing, don't overmix the batter. You just want to make sure you have all the dry ingredients up from the bottom of your bowl, but you don't want to overmix it. That's the secret to muffins. Once that's moistened, you want to fill your muffin cups 3/4 full. I like to use that ice cream scoop to put it in. You bake it in 400 Fahrenheit oven, 200 Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Makes 12, but I did a double batch, so it made 24. And they are delicious. You probably noticed the lightweight aluminum, usually reusable or throwaway pans that I was using for the muffins. I find that they work the best out of everything on the market for me. The reason being is your muffins will not burn on the bottom. How many times have you taken a muffin out of your muffin pan, whether it be a brown one or just a silver one, stainless steel, and the muffin is brown on the bottom, stuck to the paper, burnt on, stuck everywhere? If you use a cupcake liner and these pans that I purchased at the dollar store, you will have the best looking and tasting muffin in your neighborhood. Mark my words, no more burnt bottoms for you.